welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of seeing this face or seeing this channel, I am Princess Zakwa and you're welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I want to show you the simple method I use in cutting a basic sleeve that works for me. So if you are interested, let's go right into the video. I believe the video will be helpful to you. So keep watching. So like I said at the beginning, this is the method that works well for me. Though there are other methods which can be used in cutting a basic sleeve. Okay? So the measurements I need are my shoulder measurement, the length of the sleeve, and my round sleeve. So for this one, my shoulder measurement is 15.5 inches. Then I added half inch to it, which is the normal half inch of the seam allowance. That makes it 16. So I divided 16 by 2 because this is folded into 2. Okay, so what I would do, I will insert the 8 inches that I got. This is the 8 inches that I got. Then I'll add 1 inch seam allowance, which will make it 9 inches. Okay, so 9 inches. Then I will come down by 5 inches. 5 inches downward to curve the sleeve. So at this 5 inches, I will mark the 9 inches. This is the 9. Then at this, oh, can you see it? Okay. At this point, I will draw a straight line from that angle that I marked. I will draw a straight line coming to the top of the sleeve like this. Okay, then I will take the measurement of this straight line from the 9, which is 10.25. Then I will divide this 10.25 by 4. First I will divide it by 2, which will give me, let's see, okay, look at it. So I will mark it, which is the center now. I will mark that point. Then I will still divide again. Okay, which will be the center of each of them. Okay, after I have done this, in this first half, I will take half inch upward, and at this second half, I will take half inch downward. Okay, then with my curve ruler, as simple as this. This is how I get my basic sleeve. Then the length of my sleeve is 17. Okay, I have exactly 17 here, 17 inches. So at this point, I'll take my round sleeve here, which is 9, and I will mark it. Everything is divided by 2. 9 divided by 2 will give you 4.5. This is 9 divided by 2 will give you 4.5. Okay, so I will mark my 4.5. Remember, we added 1 inch to this place, the armhole here. We added 1 inch. So I'm going to add the same 1 inch as well here. Then I would just draw the straight line to connect these 2 points. Oh. So this is my basic sleeve. Then I'll cut it out. This is our basic sleeve. I hope you were able to learn something. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs